The determination of stowage unit interface loads. All these civil aircraft have interiors made mostly from composite materials, glass fibre and a phenolic resin. The cabin, overhead lockers, the galleys and the trolleys, and the different types of galleys of different aircraft, all made of composite material, basically glass fibre and phenolic. Here's a generic CAD model of a galley. The dog boxes, part of the interiors, the flight crew rest, the beds, are all made from composite material. The stowage units, this particular one here, will carry electronic instruments. Other ones will carry clothes, first aid kits. And the one I would like to talk about today is this one in particular. And this is an exploded view of an FEA model of a stowage unit. Quite simple construction, minimum number of parts. And it's this part of the stowage unit, the feet, the 4 feet, is where we obtain the interface loads due to the aircraft load cases. And this method will be introduced in the PowerPoint presentation to follow soon.